step into the 2013 Ram 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear bench seat, automatic headlights, power mirror, intermittent wipers, power windows, split bench seat, AC, heated mirrors, and rear-wheel drive. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.